guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. I'm in the yard today, actually in the front yard, in an area where I put some hostas in a couple years ago, and this area is really getting beat up by dogs in the area and all of that, and just dryness. I was hoping that the landscaper would help us out in this area. They're supposed to come out today, so I just got to jump on things and went out and started pulling out some weeds and what have you to try to tackle that and rescue these hostas from all the weeds. And I think what I'm going to do is really work with this, and maybe I'll put down some mulch or something after I clear it out a little bit more and put down some weed blocker. And I think I'll mulch this area, and I may even just add a few more hostas. But for now, I need to rescue these little hostas. These were transplanted from another area of the yard. I put them out there, I think it was last year I put them out there. But they really needed a little help. And if you know anything about hostas, they come back every year, and they usually come back bigger and stronger. And these were little baby ones that I transplanted here. They were part of a bigger bush that I put in here. So I'm happy just to get this cleaned up a little bit. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I usually do thrifting, and I like to upcycle thrifted stuff. I love to paint furniture and home accessories. So if you like that kind of content, by all means hit the subscribe button and join the fam at Life on Greenwood. And don't forget to check out my blog. I have a blog, y'all, at lifeongreenwood.com, where I talk about things on the blog that some of the things that I don't put on my YouTube channel. So check that out if you want a little bit more content of Life on Greenwood. So I'm just cleaning these little hostas out. Of course, the landscaper now shows up. And here's the landscapers. You know, I wonder what we pay them for, because we have patches in the yard that we're patching ourselves. And what I'm seeing is they're just cutting grass, and I haven't really heard them recommend anything. We had to have another company come out, and Connecticut Turf Builders, I think they're called, that are actually giving us advice on taking care of the moss that's coming up in the yard and all of that. Landscapers are just cutting grass. I need to finish up and just get out of their way. So you'll see me just trying to get out of the way of these guys and let them do their thing. They have a lot of equipment. Hey guys, you see my rhododendrons? These come back so nice every year. Oh, there's a landscaper. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. And thanks for checking out my little yard work. I'm trying to take care of this year. They're really coming in. I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the channel. So that's just another day at Life on Greenwood. See you guys.